Human body parts. Head. Head. My head hurts. Hair. Hair. Her hair is long. Forehead. Forehead. His forehead is wide. Eye. Eye. I see with my eye. Eyebrow. Eyebrow. Her eyebrows are thick. Eyelash. Eyelash. She has long eyelashes. Ear. Ear. I hear with my ear. Nose. Nose. The nose smells flowers. Nostril. Nostril. Air goes through nostrils. Cheek. Cheek. Her cheeks are red. Mouth. Mouth. Open your mouth. Lip. Lip. His lips are dry. Tooth. Tooth. My tooth hurts. Teeth. Teeth. Teeth chew food. Tongue. Tongue. The tongue tastes food. Chin. Chin. He touched his chin. Jaw. Jaw. My jaw hurts. Neck. Neck. My neck is stiff. Throat. Throat. My throat hurts. Shoulder. Shoulder. Carry the bag on your shoulder. Elbow. Elbow. He hit his elbow. Wrist. Wrist. My wrist hurts. Hand. Hand. Wash your hands. Finger. Finger. I cut my finger. Thumb. Thumb. The thumb is strong.